start by thinking wide, then narrow down and focus. But I used to be an employee na sobrang limited yung understanding ko about the opportunities that come in life. Ang nakakatuwa doon, I used to think na happiness and success will find its way towards me. Na I will just do my work, go to my job day in, day out. Then eventually I will be successful. Well, little did I realize na there are so many opportunities passing me by na hindi ko na-take advantage. And day in, day out, I always hear myself complaining na bakit ganun na lang tong buhay, parang hindi masaya. Okay. Then I realize as life goes by, okay, I was able to find out na hindi pala dapat natin iasa sa ibang tao ang success or happiness na hinahanap natin. That we should be taking control. And through that realization, nalaman ko na I should, venture out more, open up myself to different opportunities. And ang nakakatuwa doon is, nung nagkaroon ako ng ganung klaseng mindset, things just started happening. Friends come to me asking for advices. Not only advices, but parang niyayaya nila ako na magsosyo. Okay? And being an employee before, parang at first, I have that hesitation Okay? Natatakot ako na kaya ko ba to? Okay? Or, parang, is it really for me? Okay? However, through the process, I was able to realize na there are lots of opportunities, actually. Every day, there are lots of opportunities. However, it is really up to us na himayin yung opportunity na dumadating sa atin. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na, eto lang naman yung opportunity na dumating Because we should realize, na whatever small that opportunity may be, if we learn how to nurture it, take care of it, eventually, it will become a big opportunity. Parang lang yan in nature, ganun naman, di ba? If we plant a seed, then we nurture it, inalagaan natin na mabuti, okay? It will become a tree, and that tree will be, if it's a fruit-bearing seed, of course, na plant, it will give you a very bountiful harvest. Okay? So, it's really up to us. Now, we should think wide, meaning that we should be open to all the opportunities that will come to us. And narrow down and focus, meaning, once na nakapag-identify na tayo ng opportunity na sa tingin natin ay para sa atin, we should know how to take care of it. And even though, sabihin natin, wala naman tayong alam dyan sa opportunity na yan However, I do believe na everything can be learned. And there are lots of books. The internet is a huge resource that we can always go into and take a look on what the opportunity is all about. Okay? I'm not saying naman na we grab each and every opportunity that comes our way. Because by doing so, we might spread ourselves too thin. But by being focused and, having that pinpoint accuracy on identifying what is for you, then I believe that by taking advantage of those opportunities, you are on your way to happiness and success. Okay?
All right.
Yeah. Well, for my message is think big. Think big. Okay. Stay focused.
Yun. Para yung unang dream natin yun. Berdeng-berde. Ayan!
Ito. Ano? Kabila naman.